Hello and welcome everyone. So we are discussing about the citizenship of India. So this will be part 2. So let's see what we have. So আমি already দুটা mode discuss কৰিলোৱে for the acquisition of Indian citizenship. So আমি বাকি থকা কেইটা এই ভিডিওটো discuss কৰিম. So let's see. Now by registration. So the central government on an application may register a citizen as an Indian citizenship if he is not an illegal migrant. The conditions are: the person should be of Indian origin who is ordinarily residing in India for 7 years before making the application for registration. Then the person of Indian origin who is ordinarily resident of any other country or place outside undivided India. Then a person who is married to a citizen of India and is ordinarily resident in India for 7 years before making the application. Then minor children of persons who are already citizens of India. Then a person of full age and capacity whose parents are registered as citizens of India. Then a person of full age and capacity who are either his parents was earlier citizens of independent India and they are ordinarily residing in India for 12 months immediately before making the application. Then a person who has been registered as an overseas citizen of India card holder for 5 years, they can make the application, but before that they have to reside in India for 12 months. Then we have by naturalization. So the central government may provide a citizen of other country with Indian citizenship if he is not an illegal immigrant if he satisfies the following conditions. So first, he is not a subject or citizen of any country where citizens of India are prevented from becoming subjects or citizens of that country by naturalization. For example, যদি ইংলেণ্ডত ইণ্ডিয়াৰ চিটিজেন এগৰাকীক যদি চিটিজেনশ্বিপ দিয়া নহয় বাই ৱে অফ নেচাৰেলাইজেশ্যন, দেন ইংলেণ্ডৰো নাগৰিক এজনক ইণ্ডিয়াত চিটিজেনশ্বিপ দিয়া নহয়. দেন ইফ হি ৰিনাউন্সেছ চিটিজেনশ্বিপ অফ দেট কাণ্ট্ৰি, so he has to give up his citizenship of the country of his origin. Then he has either resided in India or been in service of a government of India for a period of 12 months before making the application for naturalization. Then that during 14 years immediately preceding the said period of 12 months he has either resided in India or been in service of the government of India for a period amounting not less than 11 years. Then he should be of good character. He has an adequate knowledge of a language specified in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. Then he intends to reside in India or enter into a government service or any other international service of any other international organization of which India is a member or any other society or company. Then we have citizenship by incorporation of territory. So if any foreign country becomes a part of India, the government can specify the persons who can be the citizen of India from that territory. For example, when India acquired Pondicherry in 1962, the government issued the Citizenship Order of 1962 under the Citizenship Act of 1955. Now, some special provisions provided by the Assam Accord of 1985. This is specially related to Assam. So, all persons of Indian origin who came to Assam before 1st of January 1966, they deemed to be citizens of India. Then, the person who came from Bangladesh between 1st of January 1966 and 25th of March 1971, they will have to be registered, and for a period of 10 years they will enjoy rights as any other citizen of India except the right to vote. Then loss of citizenship, so by renunciation. So any citizen of India full age and capacity can make a declaration renouncing his Indian citizenship. So upon registration of that declaration he ceases to be a citizen of India. If such declaration is made during a war, then the registration shall be withheld by the central government. Then we have termination. So, when an Indian citizen voluntarily acquires the citizenship of any other country, then his Indian citizenship automatically terminates. But this provision, however, doesn't apply during a war in which India is engaged. Then at last we have by deprivation. So it is a compulsory termination of Indian citizenship by the central government. How? If the citizen has obtained the citizenship by fraud, then the citizen has shown disloyalty to the Constitution of India, the citizen has unlawfully traded or communicated with the enemy during a war, then the citizen has within 5 years after registration or naturalization been imprisoned in any other country for 2 years. Then at last we have if the citizen has been ordinarily residing outside India for 7 years continuously. So now we will look into the Indian diaspora. So first, overseas citizen of India. So in the year 2000, the government of India set up a committee on the Indian diaspora under the chairmanship of L.M. Singhvi. So the committee recommended for the amendment of the Citizenship Act of 1955 and to provide dual citizenship to the overseas citizen of India. Accordingly, the Citizenship Amendment Act of 2003 made the provision for acquisition of overseas citizen of India by the person of Indian origin or PIO. But in 2015, the Citizenship Amendment Act was modified the provision and it introduced a new scheme called Overseas Citizen of India Cardholder, and it merged the PIO scheme and OCI card scheme. Now, what do we mean by non-resident Indian or NRI? So, NRI is an Indian citizen who is ordinarily residing outside India and holds an Indian passport. So basically, the NRI is an Indian citizen and he gets all the benefits available to an ordinary Indian citizen. Then we have who is a person of Indian origin or PIO, a person who or whose any of the ancestors was an Indian national, then who is presently holding an other country's citizenship. He or she is holding a foreign passport, in other words. So this is a person of Indian origin and they will not get any benefit of Indian citizenship. Then we have overseas citizen of India or OCI card holder. So a person registered as overseas citizen of India card holder under the Citizenship Act of 1955. So they can acquire Indian citizenship through the provision of registration. So at this we come to the end of this video. এই চ্যাপ্টারটা আমার ইয়াতে শেষ হয়েছে। So next video we will discuss some MCQs based on this chapter. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it and subscribe to our channel to get more updates. Thank you.